Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making chocolate decadent mud cake. So hop on board and let's get cooking. Place 1 cup of cane sugar in a small food processor and process until it is super fine. Very nice and fine. In a small bowl, we're going to mix 1/2 cup plus 1 tablespoon of aquafaba, along with 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. Whisk together until well combined, and set aside to thicken. Now we're going to take our 8-inch pan, spray it. If you spray the parchment paper, we want our parchment paper to be taller than our pan. Now we're going to take our pot, fill it with water, like that, and we're going to heat it up. We're going to take 1 cup of coconut oil, add it into a metal bowl that we can place on top of our heated water, along with 8 ounces of dark chocolate, which has been chopped into pieces. Once the water is hot but not steaming, not boiling, we add in the coconut, oil, and chocolate mixture. Stir with a spoon until the chocolate melts. Chocolate has melted. Very nice. So now we remove the chocolate mixture. Now we're going to add 1 cup of finely ground cane sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, and we're going to stir until well combined. Now we're going to add 1 1/2 cups of heated up milk mixture, thickened flax mixture, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk. Now we're going to sift in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Now we're going to sift in 1 1/2 cups of whole wheat pastry flour, in a separate large bowl. Going to sift in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, stir, make a hole in the center of the dry ingredients, take our chocolate mixture that we made, and we're going to pour it in. Fold it in together. We don't want to over mix, we just want to do it until it is just nicely added in together. Get our dish. We're going to pour it in. This is chocolate mud cake, and it looks like mud at this point. I like to take my spatula and just scrape out all the excess. Now we're going to take our cake pan and put it in a preheated oven of 300 degrees. We're going to let it cook slowly for up to 90 minutes. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.